Hello, good morning, guys. So this is Max JFX. All right, so uh, welcome to the Max JFX channel. So today is a sad day in my life. Very sad day in my life. A very sad day in my life. Trading is never easy. It's not for the weak. Last week I deposited $100 with the help of my father, and now I blew all the money today. It was a sad day for me. Very sad day. I'm going to give you details of all the trades I took and how I've ended up being sad today. All right, so today what's happened was that I traded gold. So I was trading gold and I was very confident in this trade. Very confident. Because when I analyze it, gold is in a downtrend, right? It's in a downtrend. So gold basically is in a downtrend right now. So when you go to the daily, a nice bearish, very strong bearish candle right here. And now I was just because that's broke through a very key zone. I wanted for a break, retest, and then sell. So all what was going into my mind was that this daily candle, that's the one here. So this particular daily candle is the one going to make the move, because I just believe that it's a very key zone. So the sellers will be very interested in the price being in this key zone. So when I saw the daily going this way up to this place, I was very confident that the daily won't close with a bullish candle like this. So I was just expecting that the daily should close a bearish candle, because that was a very key deal. So I was just expecting that uh, today will make the move. Today will make the move, and now it didn't make the move. It's close bullish, and now I lost heavily on this trade. All right. So yes, so this is how it happened. So we just so you can just see that the market has really closed in. So you can just see this bearish candle. So I was just waiting for a continuation from this key zone to the downside. So when I went to the 4 hour, I was just waiting. So the price was at this key zone. So I was waiting for a confirmation. So when it goes rejected and I saw this bearish engulfing, let me see, it has engulfed this candle. So I was like, no, this is a perfect trade. This will make the move. So I waited for this one to close, and now I went to the 30 minutes. And when I went to the 30 minutes, I saw price move up above the moving average, and now it came down below the moving average. So this was giving me a sign of a bearish trend coming into continuation. And now when I saw this change right here, so you can basically see that this was making a very good upward move. That's an uptrend. And now look at this. So a change in structure. So I was expecting the EMA right here to act as resistance right here, and now make the move to the downside. So that's what I was expecting. But when the price got here, uh, seeing this pin bar right there, so the pin bar right there, so the pin bar right there gave me an indication that price may move downward. So I entered. So I entered right here. And now see what's happened. Straight to my stop loss, and it's continued upward. So that's what's happened. And yes, I made a loss on this trade. I'm not supposed to lose all the money. Yes, I'm not supposed to lose the money, but I lost all the money because I didn't calculate the lots. Because I had so much trust in this trade, I overrigged my accounts and now I made a loss. This is a very sad day to me, but well, it will be a motivation and it will be a lesson learned for me. So, a lesson learned is that uh, so the lesson learned was on the 4 hour. So I can clearly see that this rejection on this candle didn't mean that the price is going to continue down. So I'm supposed to wait for candles to come into the zone before I will take a trade. So now the lesson is that I should wait for candles to be in the zone. Give me the confirmation inside the zone before I enter the market. So now, yes, so that's my lesson learned. And now I think the yes, I've learned this. I've paid for the price. Okay. So that's it. So I had a deposit of $100. So at the time of deposit, the $100 was gave me about so yes. So I deposited $100 and I had 200. So you can clearly see this was my Exness account. And I had a deposit of 1243. So 1,243.29 cents. So that was it. 0.29, yes. So 0.29. And now I deposited this. So on my first trade, that was NZDCHF. I entered big. So I made a profit of 759. So when I made a profit of 700, I was very happy, very confident. And now I withdrew 494. That's 494 cedis. So after that, I think the next day or something, I had an EOGBP trade. So EOGBP trade that gave me this loss. So it gave me a loss of 870 something, 70 or something. Yeah, 870. I had a loss of 870. And now, see you, I made a profit of 700 and now a loss of 800 and something. Can you imagine? So, and today too was my Wednesday, which I entered sell on gold, you know. So my account was sitting at, I think 630 something when I took this trade, when I took this loss. And now it was like about 600 or something. And now this one too, I entered twice on the gold, and now I had this loss. This my worst trade ever. So in just I would say a week because I deposited around Thursday, Wednesday there. Yeah, Tuesday now I deposited around Tuesday there. You can see the time. It was sit. So sit was around 24th. 24th was around Monday, Tuesday there, yeah. And yes, in just 2 weeks I lost my accounts. Just 2 weeks, man. And now this is what my account is sitting. So my account is sitting at this. That's 0.00. It's very sad to be in loss. Very, very sad. So now what I'm going to do is that I am no longer going to deposit money in my account. I am never going to deposit money in my account. So instead of depositing money, if I want to prove that I am a professional trader, a very good one, then I'm going to take on this responsibility. I have to pass, in order for me to trade and earn money, I have to pass the fundedness competition. So fundedness is offering a competition. So this every month, and I have to pass. So when you get to the first 100, so the first three will receive cash prizes and also accounts to trade. So they'll fund them with money to trade. And also, uh, when you are part of the so the first 100, you are going to get a free account to trade. That's $100,000 account to trade. So now, if I want to prove that I'm actually a professional trader, then I'm going to take this responsibility. I have to trade this. So that's my punishment. I'm never going to deposit money in my account. Never. I am never going to deposit money. If I really want to prove that I'm a professional trader, then this is what I have to do. I have to be in the first 100, which I'm going to compete with thousands of traders, thousands of good traders, very smart ones. So if I want to prove, then I have to be part of the first 100 to in order to receive the free $100,000 account to trade and make money for myself. I'm never going to deposit. Yes. So either I trade the competition on the fundedness or XM. So XM, so it's a broker that offers also free competition trading. So if you can see here, so you have the 7 day duration. So this is what I'm going to do. And it is free. So I'm going to trade with. So as you can see, it's 11,461 traders now. That's competing now. But this one I'm not part. The next one I want to take part. And I have to also pass. So this is the cash price. So that's $25,000. So that's a cash price when you are the first. I think it will be shared in a certain yeah. So yeah, so if I really want to make money from the markets, then either so I'm doing both of them. I'm trading the competition on the XM and I'm also trading the foundedness monthly one. So that's what I'm going to do. I am no longer going to deposit money into my Exness account to trade. If you want to prove that if I want to prove that I'm a professional trader, then this is what I have to do. It's very sad being brought down, trust me. Very, very sad. You feel like giving up, but we ain't going to give up. We are never going to give up. We are going to make our dreams come true. So that's what I'm going to do. And now, yeah, good mafiaed me. Yes, good real mafiaed me. Yeah, I was anticipating from a nice sale from this nice key zone. The market decided to mafia me. All right. So yeah, so this is what I want to put across you guys. And also another lesson is I am no longer going to trade gold and BTC. Never. So gold, BTC, USD, I'm never going to trade. So gold and BTC, USD. I am never going to trade gold and BTC, USD. So now what I'm going to trade is only the Forex. So only Forex pairs. That's what I'm going to trade. Only Forex. I'm never going to trade gold or BTC. Gold or BTC. All right. So thank you very much. This is what I want to put across. So if any changes in my trading, then it's because gold malfed me and I lost $100 in just 1 week. So I deposited on a Tuesday, so 1 week. So 1 week of trading, I lost $100. Yes. So gold's good has malfed me. I'm never going to trade gold. I'm only going to trade forex pairs, and I'm never going to deposit money. I will trade on the fundedness competition and the XM competition, the weekly XM competition. All right. So thank you so much for hanging around. This is Max JFX. Please like, subscribe. I also need advices from you guys on what I have to do. Maybe maybe if you were to help me psychologically or something, that would be fine. All right. So thank you very much for coming around and see you. All right. So bye bye.